In order to study chemical nature or chemical properties of any given compound, it is very essential to know about the source of its origin. ಯಾವ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಆ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಮೊದಲು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. If we know that one, then we should know how to balance that given chemical reaction in order to study about the compound. Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss one of the basic and yet important concept in chemistry, that is balancing of a given chemical reaction. It's very simple and basic principle, but it is very essential to study chemistry in detail. By the law of conservation of mass, we know that number of elements or number of atoms of an element in the reactant side should be equal to the number of elements in the product side. That is what the conservation of mass is all about. So here in a chemical reaction, we generally know that there are two types of components. One is reactants, another one is products. They are separated by arrow mark. This is a very basic principle. Arrow mark in the left side irodu reactants, right side barodu products. Reactants generally will be in the form of pure or uncombined state. Uncombined state alli irutte. After combination, after combining, they will give rise to products. So generally we can say that products will be in combined state or rearranged state. This is very important. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ, rearrange ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. Rearrange ಆಗಿ we may get some different products. That is what law of conservation of mass is. Mass can neither be created or matter can neither be created or be destroyed, but it can be transformed from one form to another by combination or rearrangement. That is how we will see a chemical reactions. So this is very basic. Consider one simple example, formation of water. We know that formula of water is H2O. It means water is formed by the reaction between hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, they will give rise to the product H2O. But if you observe here, number of hydrogen atoms is not, or number of oxygen atoms is not equal to the number of hydrogen and oxygen atoms in the product side. Reactant alli bere ide, product alli bere ide. So here if you consider H2, product also has H2, no problem. But oxygen O2 is there, here only one oxygen is there. As I said before, law of conservation of mass ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, number of atoms of an element should be equal in both sides of reactants and products. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. That is when we need to do the balancing of this given reaction. Okay, balancing ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, oxygen here O2 is there, here O is there, simply we put 2 here. Okay, remember ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ H2O2 hydrogen peroxide, it will be different compound. H2O should be same, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. O ಬದಲಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. Now this 2, this is very important. This 2 what I have written here is applicable to hydrogen as well as oxygen. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಆಯ್ತು, ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು. That means 2 into 2, 4 hydrogens are there here, but here how many? Only 2. ಅವಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು? We put 2 here. 2 into 2, 4 hydrogen balanced. Now oxygen, 1 oxygen is there, sorry 2 oxygen is there, here how many? 2 oxygen is there. Then this reaction is balanced. This is how we balance a given chemical reaction. Trial and error method in the number of atoms in the balance ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ reaction will be automatically balanced. Okay, stepwise example, if you consider combustion, propane. This is one example I am taking. So propane means C3H8 plus oxygen will give rise to CO2 plus H2. So this is the combustion of propane. Now you need to know whether it is balanced or not. Balance idre matra next step ಗೆ proceed ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Now C3, CO2, O3 balance illa. Obviously it is not balanced. Then you should go for balancing this reaction stepwise. At a time you need to balance only one atom. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು one atom ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದುದೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So that is called trial and error method. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು C3 carbon atoms here. Suppose if you consider carbon, 3 carbon atom ಇದೆ. Here we have only one carbon. What we can do? multiply it by 3 carbon ಆಯ್ತು 3 carbon. Remember, if you write a 3 here, this 3 is multiplied for carbon as well as oxygen also. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ multiply ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಾ. So C3 let it be. Then you balance hydrogen atom. How many hydrogen? 8 hydrogen atoms are there. Here only 2 hydrogen atom is there. We can write 4 H2O ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೋದಾ. Correct. Then oxygen, only one oxygen is there. How many oxygen is there? 4 into 1 oxygen, 4 oxygen. Then 3 into 2, ಇದನ್ನು ಮರಿಬಾರದು, ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 3 into 2 6, 4 into 1 4, 6 plus 4 oxygen is equal to 6 plus 4 10 atoms. 10 atoms are there. Here we have only 2 atoms. Then we can multiply by 5. So this is your balanced chemical reaction. Observe what is C3 3C H8, 4 into 2 8, 5 into 10, 5 into 2 10, 3 into 2 6 plus 4 10. So this is a balanced equation. Similarly, we have one more simple. N2 plus H2 gives NH3. This is one simple example. You can see here N2 ಎರಡು ಏನಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ. Simply we can put 2N ಆಯಿತು. 2N ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 into 3 6 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ 3 hydrogen. It is balanced. Then NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide, reacts with sulfuric acid to give rise to NH4 twice SO4 plus H2O, salt and water. Now, is this balanced? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ reaction. Acid base neutralization reaction ಇದು. NH4, okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ okay, let it be N. How many nitrogen are there? Only 1 nitrogen. ಇಲ್ಲಿ N into 2 nitrogen ಆಯ್ತು. ಅವಾಗ here you simply put 2. Okay. Then go for hydrogen. Count the total number of hydrogen. Mistake ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. Total number of hydrogens ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ count ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How many are there? H4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 again. This is multiplied here as well as here. 4 into 2 8, 2 plus 8 10 ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲೇ 10 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 12, ಟೋಟಲ್ 12 hydrogen. 12 hydrogen atoms. ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಬರೋದಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ. ಓಕೆ. ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ 4 into 2 8, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು, 8 plus 2 10 ಆಯಿತು. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 12. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾದ್ರು ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ವೇರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ವಾಟರಿಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ 12 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ 2, so 4 into 2 8 plus 2 into 2 4, 8 plus 4 12 hydrogen balance ಆಯ್ತು. So lastly we balance oxygen. Oxygen ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 1 into 2, that is 2 oxygen plus 4 oxygen. 2 plus 4 6 oxygens are there here. Reactant product ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, already 4 plus 2. So the reaction is balanced. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಇನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. So I hope you like the video. If so, share this video with your friends and the needed ones. Thanks for watching.